Alright guys, let me know if you have any idea what this issue could be. Car starts just fine. I can shift it, goes into neutral, goes into park, goes into drive, but that grinding noise. Generally, it's been my experience with transmissions, when they fail, they lock. I guess it depends on the failure, but I'm hoping this is a drivetrain component other than the transmission, but let me know.